Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. I'm so happy we are here once again, and I want to welcome you to a new month. This is the last month of the year, December. We are happy that we are here, and I'm so grateful for all of you who have been faithful, watching this program from the beginning of the year. Well, we will be getting into business very soon. But before that, I want to specially welcome those who are here for the first time. And I want you to know this program is meant to help you live life to the full. And we talk about practical things that are important for you as you relate with others on the planet. Our programs are built on one, another. So I always encourage also for you to watch previous programs so that you'll be abreast with what we are doing and where we are. To the rest of you, you know already, I would like you to invite a friend to join you to watch this and share the link with others so that this message can also get to those who may not have direct contact so that they also get to know. Well, we are in the last month, and the last month is almost like the last leg, of a race. It is also like the last round, maybe in a boxing ring. It is the last minute when you would just, have to cross the finish line. It is very important for us at this time to be very stable because if we are not careful, we will be overwhelmed with the fact that time is now getting up and there is no, time like you writing an exam and they tell you you have 5 minutes to finish and you look around and it seems like, you're not going to make it. But this is rather the time that you have to be composed and put yourself together and give your all. So first of all, I want you to know that it does not really matter what you have achieved from January until now. The main thing is what you're going to do with the rest of the time that you have before this year comes to a close. Life's heaviest burden is to have nothing to carry. Sometimes when there are, stuff that are challenging you, it builds you up and it brings some kind of innovation in you. So don't say, I don't have strength. Well, there is no time. What will you do with the little time that you have? If you maximize that time, you'll be surprised you'll be able to make it in a way that you have never ever done before. Now, life is not a race. You know, life, you are not competing with other people. In life, you have your destiny and you have stuff that you are mandated to do. And you have to concentrate on what your vision is. You have to concentrate on what your task is. Many people think they are failing because they start comparing themselves to other people. Don't do that. Comparison is dangerous. It is dangerous in the sense that if you are not careful, you will think you are doing so much in relation to another person, and then you will not do all that you can do. Or the reverse, that you may think somebody is doing more than you, and you stretch yourself beyond where you are supposed to be. So the best thing for you to know is what you are mandated to do and focus and do that. Never ever defend your present situation. If you defend your present situation, you will never be able to move beyond that because you try to say, well, it's okay. Yeah, what has happened is supposed to happen and I'm fine with it. No, 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 no. Don't give excuses. Don't defend the present situation. Analyze the present situation. Deal with the present situation and make sure it will launch you into your next level. If it is something you're doing and you have not succeeded in doing it, then you say, yes, I have not succeeded. So what do I need in order to succeed? Why didn't I succeed? And when you do that, you are going to go beyond where you are. And let me remind you, it does not matter the level of achievement, it does not matter the level of success, you can always go a step higher. So never think you have reached the rooftop. Nobody will reach that place because as soon as you get to one level, a new level will come up. So increase, you know, expand, and also invest into making your life more meaningful. And remember, it is not what you have that will determine or make a difference in your life, but it is what you do with what you have. So ask yourself, what do I have? You know, if you know you have a short time to finish a race, you get more energy and you run faster. So you can at least make up for some lost time. So it is not what you have, but it is what you do with what you have. So life is not about having, it is more about doing. And I want you to do something, be active, get involved. And this last month of the year will be a month that will make a difference in your life. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this is today's family program. This month, we will be getting ready so we can finish strong, so we can finish well, so we can finish in style, and we can finish as champions. I'm looking forward to seeing you every week. And please remember, don't look at the things around you. Look at what your aim is. Don't depend on the things that you have. Rather, ask what you do with the things that you have. Till we come again next week together, I am Dr. Abed Kitcher, and I look forward to seeing you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.